in welcoming the Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, His Excellency Muhammad Nawaz Sharif. I invite him to address the General Assembly.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, we congratulate Mr. Peter Thompson on his election as President of the 71st session of the General Assembly. We agree that implementation of the Sustainable Development Agenda should be the focus of this session.
Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, I request protocol to escort His Excellency. I have great pleasure in welcoming His Excellency Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. I invite him to address the Assembly.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Qul ya ibadiyallazina asrafu. Qul ya ibadiyallazina asrafu. La taqnutu min ar-rahmatillahi. Inna Allah yaghfiru dhanuban jamia. Mr. President, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, as I stand here today to tell the story of my country, Pakistan.
An address by the Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, His Excellency Imran Khan. May I request protocol to escort His Excellency. I have great pleasure in welcoming His Excellency Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, and I invite him to address the General Assembly.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Mr. President, Honorable Secretary General, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I feel honored today to represent my country at this forum of world leaders, where we have a chance to discuss problems that the world is facing. I want to talk about a lot of problems, but just 4 today. And I especially came to this forum despite a difficult time in my country facing challenges.